Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and I am here to do another tutorial. Today we're going to be doing an event like I said last time, so let's get started. Like last time, I'm going to create a new package and call it events, and I'm going to create a new class, and that's going to be called I'm just going to call it onJoin, because why not? One thing I'm going to do real quickly though is we're going to need to extend no. It's implements. It's actually implements. If I can spell correctly. There we go. I don't know why I thought it was extend. It's not. So I'm gonna do @event handler public void on player join event nope, forgot that auto completes for me. Now we're going to need to import and import. Okay, so I'm gonna do one more thing, and I'm gonna do what we did last time. So public onJoin, and I'm going to create this on top of it. Private tutorial plugin, and plugin equals tutorial.plugin. There we go. This is a constructor. It's triggered when the class is enabled or when the class is loaded in. What I'm doing is I am referencing the tutorial class so that we could use anything from this class. That way I could do something like plugin.getLogger.info, and that would work. You don't extend Java plugin every time. You only do that on one class, and that is your main class usually. Okay, now back to the event. So what this is doing is this is the event that you'd be using right here. So this is the player join event. You can see all the events on the Spigot Java docs. I will go ahead and link to that in the description, but in case you wanted to know. So I'm just going to do this. Plus we need to get the player. So player p equals e.get player. Not every event has a get player, just to keep that in mind. Sometimes what you have to do is reference a player and check to see if an entity is a player and then cast it to a player. Although I will show you how to do that in a little tutorial. This is just basic stuff right now. My goal of these tutorials is not to make something complete, so I would never do like how to make a minigame plugin. I'll never do a tutorial like that. Instead, I'll just do snippets of stuff like how to make a GUI, how to do advancements in 1.12. That's a big one, and I just recently learned how to do it, and when I do go through that, I'm going to use an API someone else made, because it's not worth it to code it all in manually. But so this is how you would do it. And I can do a lot with player. You can just do p dot and see what I used. There's a ton of stuff. You can teleport, resource packs, inventories, kick, if it's whitelisted, permissions, is op, it's glowing, gliding, flying, dead. There's a lot you can do with this. So that's nice. So but I'm just gonna go ahead and say p dot I'm just gonna broadcast something actually. Bucket dot broadcast message, and I'm gonna do test. Well, let's do this. Player blank plus p.get name plus has joined the game. No, we're not gonna do that. I have something better than that. Let's do that. So what we're now going to do is I'm going to check to see if they joined for the first time. So I can do p dot okay, so sorry for the cut there. I have if p dot has played before. So basically, if the player has played before, we're going to run this. Well, no, we don't want that. We want has not played before. So we're going to put the exclamation point there, and then we're going to do p bucket that. Sorry if you heard that. It's storming right now, which is why I had to cut right there. But p dot broadcast message dot broadcast. Don't want to do that. And here, let's do this. Chat color dot gold plus p dot get get name plus this. Here, let's add another color in. Chat color dot purple. Let's do light purple. And there has joined for the first time. There we go. That worked. Also, if you're wondering, you can get like nicknames and stuff. You can do p.get custom name, p.get display name, which gets the display name, and then you can just get the normal name. That's what I do. Okay. Let's fix the chat color thing. Come on. Let's use you. Okay. And then we'll do one more thing. We are going to set the message, so. Wait. No. Well, I want to see if I want to do anything else with this. Yeah, we'll set the join message. And we'll just set it to chat color dot green get name plus chat color dot aqua plus has joined the game. This made this may need to be first. Let's do that. Okay, that should work, hopefully. And now what we need to do is go into the tutorial section or the class, and we need to declare it. So we do bucket dot get server dot get plugin manager dot register event New on join, and on this. It wants the plugin, and this class is the plugin, so if I was declaring it in another class, then I would declare this class as the plugin. I could also put plugin here too. That would also work, but there's no need for that. This. There we go. That should be good. So now we're just going to export again. It does not need to go in the plugin.yml, just so you know. And let's go ahead and export that. I still have the server up from last time. Load. Okay, so I'm going to direct connect, join. And there we go. Look, it says YNDW11 has joined the game. That is exactly what we set it to, and I have joined the server before, and you would know that if you saw the last few episodes. So it did not send that message. Hell, you know what? I'll do this. I can go through and delete my message. That way I can show you that it works. Go to Word, player data, delete you. I'm going through and deleting my player data right now. That way it can work. So just gotta do a little quick reload. Direct connect, join. There you go. See, it says I joined for the first time. I deleted my player data, so that's how I would manage to do that. Yeah. So it works. Next episode. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Well, bye-bye.